Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, April 28th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the one thing that's holding you back from having success and how you can break through. But before I get started, again, my name's Russ. If you've never seen any of my videos before, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018, and I am truly passionate about helping people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So if you're struggling to have success when it comes to making money online, or anything really, this can apply to anything really, but for this video, I'm talking about the make money online world. If you're struggling to have success, this is the one reason why. I'm going to tell you the one reason why. And it's not what people think. All right, most people think that it's, I don't have the money to do, advertising, or I don't have the time to do the necessary things that I need to do in order to make money online. I don't have the right resources. And people just go on and on and on, with every single excuse in the world. But the truth is, the one thing that's holding you back is self-limiting beliefs, okay? People do not believe in themselves enough to get to where they want to be. For whatever reason this happens, it's what the truth is, okay? And I used to be this way. I used to watch other marketers who were referring, 10 people in a month or making $10,000 in a month. And I was like, wow, this is, how is this possible? There's no way that I could ever do this. And it wasn't until I started rewiring my brain and my thoughts and my mindset to what I believe today. And that is, anybody who has any type of positive mindset, you can do this. All right, you can do this. Anybody can do this. Anybody can make money online. You don't have to have, there's no special buttons to push. You don't have to be a super marketing genius or anything like that. You have to believe in yourself first off and know that you can do it, because anybody can do it. Anybody can make money online, okay? The thing that you have to do is you have to be able to stay committed to the program that you're in, or the programs, depending on how far along you are on your journey. You have to commit to showing up every day, and you have to commit to taking massive action and staying consistent. All right? But it all starts with self-belief, knowing that you can do it, believing in yourself. Because again, anybody can do this. Anybody can make money online. All right? You don't have to be anything other than what I told you. You just have to show up every day. And if you're willing to show up every day, you can make this work. All right? Anybody. So you want to rewrite your beliefs and just know that you can do this, okay? There's nothing stopping you from having success other than yourself. You're the only person who's stopping yourself from being successful when it comes to making money online. It's you and your beliefs. All right? If you're showing up every day and you're saying, "Oh, I can't do this. I'll never do this. I'll never have this. I'll never have that." What do you think is going to be programmed into your subconscious? What do you think your subconscious is going to tell you every single day? It's going to tell you that you suck. Right? It's going to tell you that you can't do it. If you're telling yourself every day, "I can't do this, I can't do that, I'll never have this, I'll never have that," do you think you're ever going to obtain any of your goals that you have? Never. You're never going to. Because that's what you're believing. When you change that to, "I can do this, I can do that, I can have that, I can obtain this, I can set this goal and crush it," and you program and rewire your mind to think that way, what do you think happens? When you have the right mindset and you're committed to showing up every day, taking massive action and staying consistent, that's when you become unstoppable. All right, that's what separates the 98% of people who don't make money from the 2% of people who do make money when it comes to making money online. That's all it is. In all the years I've been marketing, there's been people from every possible situation in life who has come out on the top in the marketing world. All right, including me. I mean, when I was younger, I was addicted to alcohol and drugs. I was in and out of 5 or 6 rehabs when I was in my early 20s. Okay? I did all kinds of things the wrong way. I was suicidal. I had my stomach pumped. I was not good with money. All the money that I made, I worked all the time. Even when I was high and drinking, I always worked. I always had a good work ethic. But that money that I would use, that I would make working, went right to drugs and alcohol. And it wasn't until I changed my mindset about the drugs and alcohol that I finally made choices to change my life. And it's the same with marketing. You can make the choices. If right now you're having a hard time making money online, all you have to do is tell yourself you can do it. Program that into your brain that you can do it. Say some affirmations in the morning. Find some good business affirmations and start saying them every day and start believing in yourself. Then you show up every day, take massive action, stay consistent, and you'll get massive results. Okay? I can't guarantee if you're going to make anything in any of the programs that I'm a part of or anything that you do, because it's all based on your work ethic. But I can tell you that if you show up every day, have the right mindset, you can do anything you want to. The only person stopping you is you. All right? So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. All right? Believe bigger and start right now. Have a great day.